Hey chicas, welcome back to my channel. I know we are in the month of April, but I wanted to show you guys what I got in my March BoxyCharm box. So this is the Vacation box. I got a good selection of things right here. You can see these 3 eye gel packs. This is by South Main Beauty. You'll be able to see in the video, I think they did a pretty good job under the eye, so I just went ahead and stuck those on there. As you can see, I had a little bit of some puffiness under my eyes, so I just stuck those on there until it was time for me to do my face. So the first thing that I got in the BoxyCharm box is this collaboration by Pure and BoxyCharm, and then I got these really cute brushes by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and use some of my concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to use that to blank out my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with this that light bone color right up there at the top. I went in with that to set everything, and then those are the 4 colors that I'll be using. That brown, that kind of light color, the bone color, and that pinky shade. Right now I am just going ahead with that brush and I am applying that pinky shade in my crease, and as you can see I switched brushes because this Moda brush is better for me for my crease shades. Now I am going in with the Luxie brush and I'm taking that brown shade and I am just putting that on the outer, inner, and a little bit in the crease. This is a halo eye, as you can see from the pictures on the thumbnail, and look, yes, those things were sliding off, but I just went ahead and kept them on there. So I'm taking some more concealer and I am putting that in the middle of my eye to create this halo, and as you saw me rolling my eye up. I'm just trying to see where to stop. So I held the palette up to see what color I was going to put in the center, and that is that pinky shade that I decided to use. And now I am taking this Super Shock Shadow by ColourPop in the color Frog, and I am putting that on top of this shadow from that Pure palette, just to make it a little bit more, give it a pop. I'm going back in with that brown shade just to finish off the edges so that you can't see like a defined line where I put that middle shade, and then I'm taking some more of that pinky shade, just blending that in the brown. Okay, so this mascara came in the BoxyCharm box. This is by Butter London, the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I really do like this mascara. I use this on my top lashes and my bottom lashes, of course. And then I'll be throwing on some lashes here in a second, as you will see. These lashes are from Amber's Virgin Hair and Lashes. This is in the style Shy Girl. This is actually one of my favorite pair of lashes. They're not too big and they're not too small. It's just right and they look so natural. Look at how bright these gels made my under eyes. I really do like that. Wow. Okay, so for the primer, I am using Dermalogica Hydra Blur Primer. As always, this is my favorite primer. And then for foundation, I'm going to use LA Girls foundation in the color Creamy Beige. Is that Creamy Beige? No, that's just regular beige. Okay, so I'm going to use regular beige. I have a Creamy Beige too. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my face. I really do like this foundation, surprisingly. It's cheap, but it's a good foundation. And for concealer, going back in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the color C7. I am just doing my normal thing. Put the concealer on the bridge of my nose, under the eyes, Cupid's bow, and the chin, and a little bit on my forehead. I'm not going to create a wing, but I am going to use this Kat Von D Trooper liner just to cover up the band on the lashes. And for bronzer today, I'm going to use the Bahama Mama bronzer by the Balm. Just going ahead and contour my face. As you guys know, I do not use cream contour. I only use powder. So I'm going to contour the normal parts of my face. You guys can see that. Taking that same bronzer, I am going to go ahead and snatch my nose. This Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in the color Light Medium has become my favorite setting powder. But I mostly use this under the eyes. Well, all the areas that what's the word? Concealed and highlighted. I use that powder to set those areas. And then in a second you'll see that I went ahead and used my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the color Tan to set the rest of my face and to bring back some color to my face. Taking those same shadow colors, I'm going to put those on my lower lash line. And I'm taking that same mascara and I'm going to put it on my lower lashes. So for blush, I'm going to use the blush that came in the BoxyCharm box. This is Make Them Blush, and it's, I'm guessing, the color Hush Blush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. I really do like this blush, so I threw some across my nose because I like that sun-kissed burnt nose look. Well, not burnt, you guys know what I'm talking about. Mine, oh mine, yes, mine, oh mine. Pardon the interruption, but that is my type of music. So for a highlight, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy collab. And I like this highlighter. I do. So I'm just going to put that in normal places, you know, the stuff that we always do. Now I'm going to finish up my brows using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder in the color Chocolate. I always do this when I am completely finished with my face and eye makeup. And for the lips, I'm going to use this LA Girls lip liner. This is in the color Rose. And for my lippy, I am going to use Maybelline's Vivid Hot Lacquer Gloss in the color Sassy.
Abby Red, Abby Red, Abby Red. You are now watching Abby Red.
To set my face, I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus, and that, my friends, is it. I hope you liked the video. I know it's late. We're in April now, but I don't care because I love this look and I want to get the video up. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and share the video. See you in the next one. Bye.